Okay, we want to talk about how custodians will clean the classrooms after school. And if you'll notice here, I have some more things that I will show you. We use a color-coded cleaning system, which are microfiber rags. Microfiber is used as a rag that is kind of like a germ magnet, if you will. And these rags are very good for removing soils, and we use all different colors. So in our classrooms, we will be using the green rag, and the yellow rags are typically used in the cafeterias, along with the white. The blue rags are on our windows and those areas, and our red rags, of course, are used in our restrooms. Okay. Along with that, I want to introduce to you our new Victory backpack sprayers that we purchased for our schools, and these sprayers will be used along with the cleaning process of getting the student desk clean, as well as sanitized and disinfected. So there's three things that actually happen in this process. Okay, so starting the process out, first the custodians would use the green rags, and these rags would be already wet and treated with the disinfectants. Okay, then they would clean these surfaces. And basically paying attention to both the chairs, the backs of the chairs, as they work through the room until they complete the entire surface. Okay, the room is also set up again for social distance, so you'll notice that there's an AM and a PM. So in this case, all of the chairs will be cleaned at the end of the day, not just the PM. The last part of that process is we use the backpack sprayer to apply the disinfectants, which is already located on the back of the sprayer and is already being charged. This electrostatic is new technology, which you'll notice that the spray comes out in a mist. Okay, so what happens is the mist, as it falls, begins to wrap itself around the surfaces as well as applies itself to the surface, but it will also wrap itself and start applying itself to the chair. So if you'll notice, when I sprayed that chair, you can see that it's already getting wet here. So basically what the custodian will do is, after the desk have been wiped and sanitized and disinfected, it will then apply the disinfectant for the dwell time. And this is the time that's needed by all disinfectants in order to have the claims that the EPA registry says that it will kill under a certain minute with the COVID. So in order to apply the disinfectants, you would then begin to, after the surface is being wiped, clean, disinfected, you would apply the disinfectants. You would also spray teacher areas. You'd also spray the cubbies. And everything that the students have come in contact with. Okay? Thank you.